right, Corvette fans. Here's a beauty. 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Nice looking C6. Now this particular vehicle, you see the yellow top in it. So I want to give you the heads up. That is obviously removable, and it does have the transparent top that will come with it also. Now this car, clean Carfax, spent its life in Montana, has not seen any sort of inclement weather, no accidents, have not seen any sort of paint work on this car. Miles are correct. It was right around the 25,000 mark. We'll check that out when we start it up, show you the interior and everything. Let you take a good close look at this fascia. Of course, this would be the Velocity yellow paint color, and you can see by that front fascia, very clean for your rock chips. Lots of times I see on some of the Southwest cars where there'll be a little rock chipped up from the small stones, sand, gravel, but again, Montana car here. This one looks extremely clean. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, there's over 100 pictures of this car easily online. You'll see the underside, engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on that. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, 6-liter underneath the hood, LS2 400 horse, 400 foot-pounds of torque engine, paired up with a paddle shift automatic, and that would be a 6-speed automatic transmission. And also a nicely equipped car. Go through some of the things that this is going to have. You can see it has the QX3 chrome wheels, and again, both tops, which would also be an add-on option. Velocity yellow paint would have been a little bit more also. Navigation with Bose, that's going to give you the steering wheel controls. Also, this is a 3LT package car, and then it also has a Z51 option added to it, which is going to give you your little different suspension. As you can see, the rotors are drilled. That's going to be in the Z51 package. Another cool option on this car, it was a UE1 RPO code, so it was a Corvette museum delivery. So it's kind of cool. Of course, the center dump exhaust. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I've been around this car quite a bit. I do not see much at all for nicks, dings, scratches, as you can see on the passenger side and now the driver's side. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. We'll pop the hood, check out the exact miles here before we do that. Let you take a look at all of it. So over here you do have the Bose stereo system, of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seating, heads-up display, right-hand steering wheel controls, your paddle shift and the 6-speed automatic. Let's go ahead and start this up. Now, of course, this would adjust. I don't know if you can really see it. There you go. You can see the heads-up display, and this would adjust the brightness. You turn it on and off, change where it's located at on the windshield. Of course, your driver's information center, the trip odometer, all of that there. Exact miles, 25,857. Of course, there's your navigation system, dual climate control, heated seats. Again, very well equipped Corvette. Best of all, Velocity yellow. All right, you also notice there's no warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that on it in there. I have not noticed any modifications on this. You can double check with those underside picks. You want to check out the exhaust. No cold air intake, anything like that I noticed. Underside picks, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Tell you what, let's pop this hood. I can do that easy enough.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Another one thing, you watched these videos before, take a look at the hood liner, see how clean that is. There's no road grime, salt, anything like that dried up in it. which tells you this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. There's that LS2 6-liter, 400 horse, 400 foot-pounds of torque, smooth running, AC blows cold, everything works as it should in this car. Here, how smooth that runs. There you go. You're looking for a nice, well taken care of C6 Corvette. Great color, great options. Not many miles, clean Carfax. Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call.